So everybody wants to know how I've been to Jamaica, Bahamas, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Grand Cayman Island. How have I been on those places and don't have a passport? Stay tuned because I got some information for you. Yes, let's get into it. All right, you guys. So I'm getting ready to head out to go to the passport office. I'm so excited. Dee ain't getting hers with me today, but she will be getting hers. But I'm gonna do it. Well, this probably is the video that I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what you need to get this damn passport, because this is so confusing. I'm nervous. I'm scared. It's a lot that I ain't know. Shit, my daddy and me don't even talk. I don't know his damn birthday. I'm up here calling family members and shit. So anyway, I'm gonna do a whole video when I get back. I gotta get some copies made. Yeah, let me go because I don't know how to do all this shit. All right, so we are here at the post office and I got mine. This is the application, if you can see. I already got mine filled out. Now, things I was telling you that I don't know exactly what you're supposed to have, but this is 1 to 2 page application. Then he wants you to have a birth certificate, proof of it, or a copy rather, and social too, I think. I brought both just in case, I don't know. On top of that, make sure you add the driver license, just in case. And you want to have, like I said, a copy. I have the copies front and back too. There's a front and back for you guys. So let's go. Hope I got everything. I'm early just in case I need to leave and come back. Oh, I got my pictures. Proof of address. I got my pictures. Let me show you my pictures. I ain't show y'all that. And it gives you the little stamp and tells you everything you have to make sure this thing is approved and certified. All right, let's go. So nervous. Let's get my wallet. That would help. So freaking nervous. And I gotta go through there, so let's go. All right, so it only took like 5 minutes, you guys, and it was easier than I thought. So I'm gonna go over do's and don'ts when I get into the house. But so she just took my money. It's $1.50 for a money order, and I'm just getting it here. And if they take your picture, it's only $15. But I'll tell you more later. And they kept my birth certificate too. I'll tell you about that later. Okay, by now you should see some of my clips of me going to the post office and me going to CVS. Number one, let's start off with some savings. To save money, you know I'm all about a coupon, honey, or saving some money. I went to get my picture done at CVS. I Googled, because everything is on Google, on my phone, cheap passport pictures or a coupon, and I got $2 off. So my picture, I think it ended up coming to like 13 or 14 bucks. I'll put that picture somewhere up in here as well. So make sure you get a picture. Okay, so let me tell you how I went up at CVS. I was all excited to get my passport. How you doing? Yes, I'm here to get my passport. And I was gonna need a picture. And he was like, okay, so first of all, I wish it was a girl taking my picture or a guy that cared, because people that take your picture, they just like, so I was ready to take my picture. I was like, no, honey, you cannot show any teeth. And you cannot be smiling unless you do a smile. It's like a, okay, something like the Tyra Banks. I didn't know. I was nervous. So my picture does not have a smile at all. So just know that you cannot have a smile. Can't be showing any teeth. And it's like, it has to be a 2x2. There are things that it has to be, there's check mark that has to go and make sure the picture is enough in the height, in the way, just whatever. So don't try to take your own selfie or whatever, because it's not going to work. They're not going to take it. Don't play yourself. Like, this is serious. Okay, so next thing, why do you even need a travel? Like, why do you need a passport? I don't know if this is in the other video, if I'm going to do this video, but I've been to all those places before because we go on cruises, and it's a closed-ended trip, meaning we started in Miami, we're going to end the trip in Miami. We're not flying into Mexico, we're not flying into Jamaica or Grand Cayman Island or Dominican Republic. So we didn't have to ever have a passport. So gonna have some travels coming up that will be open-ended trips, and therefore I will need this passport, and baby's gonna get hers too, but I'm getting mine first. Oh, thank you. You know who you are. Thank you. So that is that. Cruising, you don't need it, but by 2020, everybody has to have a new ID. Check your local DMV, and so might as well go and get the passport. What do you need when you go? So So go ahead and go to the website to fill out the information. You want to go ahead and you're going to have all the questions that you could ever have, right? Then you're going to have an application place where you're going to print the application out. Either way you do it, you will have to print it out. You can fill it out online and then print it out, or you can just print it out and then fill it out. Now, you have to have black ink. I really feel like I was in school. I did not even know I had to have black ink because I didn't read the application until like I was into it. Make sure you read the application. Did I say make sure you read that application? Because you have to make sure everything they're asking for is correct, is legit, and you have it, or they will not take it. So make sure you got a black pen when you start your application. Print it out. So you're gonna have to take it with you, like I just said. Make sure you grab your birth certificate. I took my social security card, but I did not need my social security card as proof of a citizenship. So the birth certificate. My birth certificate was torn down, honey. So if you have like a raggedy ass birth certificate, if it's like folded, if it's wrinkled, if it's ripped like mine was, I take that bad boy up and they took it. Thank you, Lord, because I ain't had no extra money to be going to buy the birth certificate. All right, gotta get this there on passport. And then your driver license, you have to take that. So driver license, birth certificate, and application. Very, very, very important. You have to make copies, you guys. This is actually an application that I have my notes on. You have to make a copy of your driver license. Just do the front and the back. Also of your birth certificate. You have to have copies. They will not assist you, okay? So, number 7 important thing to go with this. They are going to keep your birth certificate, okay? So don't go up there getting the attitudes like, no, I need to get this back to my mama so she can put this up for me because I'm going to lose it if I have it in my house. Whatever, whoever's holding it. They will not get it back until your passport comes back, and it's going to come back together but separately, meaning around the same time that you get your passport or you get your birth certificate, the lady said it's going to come 2 days apart, a day apart. And I asked her were they running more of the 6-week time frame because today is like June the 11th, I think, and she was like more so in the 4-week time frame. Hey, babe. More so in the 4-week, 5-week time frame. So just keep your eye out and just stay tuned to your mail when it comes to that. Let me see. Can you see me, Center? Since you're in here, if I say, hey, D.
Hey, D.
They don't touch anything,
You're not
though.
centered.
No, I don't want to be centered. I want to be over here. So it's okay to have this extra space. Does it have extra space? Don't you put your hand in my stuff. All right, so I already told you there's no
Put my hand in
pictures.
your stuff.
There are no smiles when it comes to taking this picture, you guys. So just make sure you don't go in there you're trying to smile and be all cute because they will not accept it. You will have to take it over. Okay, I took cash in. Some places do not accept credit cards. They will take a personal check, a certified check, a cashier check, or a money order. I didn't know what the hell to put on a money order. I got really nervous. So what I did was just took the cash to the post office and let them fill it all out because there is also a fee that goes with it. That is $35. You know? Okay. That is $35 that goes along with that. And then you have to pay for the money order. And I have it somewhere. I'll grab it for you guys. I have it somewhere. I feel like my wig is slipping. Hold on, you guys. Yes, I got to fix my wig. Hold on. Okay, thank you. All right. So, also, if you have a passport, then you probably won't be looking at this video anyway because you already know what to do. If you have a passport and you're just renewing the passport, make sure you bring the old one with you, okay? Lady said you have to have a passport to bring it with you. Did you get married? Is your name changed? You need to bring your marriage certificate. And also, if you're bringing that, make a copy. I cannot tell you. You have to make a copy of front and back of everything. And it's better to have all this stuff and shred this shit later than not to have it and to go back, okay? Because another thing I didn't tell you at the beginning, you have to make an appointment and you have to do it online. You cannot just pop up, I'm here. No. You cannot do that. So make sure you pick out a post office that you want to go to, a time that works for you, and then you have to be 10 to 15 minutes early. I'm early everywhere I go. Yes, honey, everywhere I go, this child is early. So I was on time. My appointment was at 12:30. I think I got there like at 12:10, 12:15. I was eating in the car, but you already seen that, right? You seen that clip before here. But so yeah, so if you got married, bring the marriage certificates. You have to have your driver license and your birth certificate along with a copy of all of them, guys. Front and back, don't play. Tips. She told me that my passport is good for 10 years. So I'm good to go. 6-month rule, like after. They want to make sure that, say I'm traveling to Dominican Republic in September. They want to make sure that my passport is good 6 months after I leave here in September. So it's October, November, December, January, February, March, April. They want to make sure, just in case something pops off and my ass gets stuck over there, I got to stay over there. They want to make sure that that passport is good to go and it's nowhere near being expired, okay? So that is that. And then 9 months before it expires, if you want to renew it, you need to go 9 months ahead of time. So I think that is all I have to say here is, I don't know if you can see this, but this is the application. And then there's another page for that. You don't put anything right here because your picture goes here. And so, yeah, it tells you everything you need. Look, if I would have read it, I would have seen it. Please use black ink only. Black ink only. Proof of citizenship and upload a copy. And they underline that. Okay. Recent color photograph. Got that from the CVS. So, first thing you do when you get on there on the website, you want to first find you a post office, make you an appointment for your passport. Then make sure you print out the application. Fill the application out in black ink only. Grab your driver license and grab your birth certificate. Make copies of front and back. The money is $110 for the passport, $35 for the admin fee or some shit. And then I guess I paid $1.20 for my money order because I wanted to make sure they fill it out correct. I didn't want no mess having to go back and try to get a refund at the Wawa and all that. I had to sign for that. So I guess your girl's gonna have a passport. Ah! So that's it, I guess. Yeah, that's it. So thanks so much for tuning in to ShatimaR. Excuse me. Thanks for tuning in to the ShatimaR channel where I love to travel and I'm here for you, whatever you need. If I know it, you gonna know it. #ShatimaR. Join me on Facebook. Bye.